Hi there. So today we're going to be checking out this product, which is supposed to be really great for migraines. So I personally suffer with migraines sometimes, and I've tried many things, and I don't really like taking pills to like painkillers and stuff. So I wanted to try something a little bit more natural. And my friend recommended this product, so I got it from Amazon. So let's go ahead and check it out. So inside the box, it looks like this. It's like a 360 eye mask, so it goes all the way around your head, and you can use it hot or cold. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. Kind of has a nice smell to it. And what's great about this is it blocks out all the light, so 100% of light, which is perfect, especially when you have migraines. Like if you get migraines, you know, like blocking out the light is so important. And it kind of has a nice weight to it as well. I feel like the pressure would be really good for your head, like to help soothe your headache. And it's nice and soft too. It's like nice and flexible, and the fabric is nice and soft as well. So I'm excited to try this out. I'm gonna go put it in the freezer and then we'll try it out and see how it goes. Okay, so I put it in the freezer for like an hour just to cool it down, and it's still nice and flexible, so it doesn't get hard like some other eye masks. It still stays flexible. Okay, so I'm gonna try it on. Ooh. Oh, this is nice. Okay, I'm excited to try this. Okay, I'm back. I just had a little nap. This is so nice. This actually feels so good on your head. Like the pressure on your head just feels so good. And then it stays cool as well, like the gel material. It stays cool and it feels really nice on your head. But yeah, if you have headaches or migraines or if you just need help sleeping, definitely check out this headache relief cap from Heal Plus.